Hello everyone, today let's try and repair this Kenstar microwave oven. Actually the problem with this unit is the rotary switch used to select the timing is not working. As you can see, it is shaking as well. There is some problem inside. So let's try to repair it. First of all, disconnect the unit from AC mains, remove the input connection, then remove the screws. On the side there are 2 screws and back side there are 6 screws. Remove all the 8 screws. Here you can see on the left side there are 2 screws, down 1, 2, 3, on the top side 2, that is total 4. On the other side there are 2 screws, total 6. 6 screws on the back side of the top cover and 2 screws on the side. So totally 8 screws. Just unscrew them, push the cover back side, pull it upwards and keep it aside. Now we need to remove the front panel, the control panel. There is 1 screw on the top behind the motor. Just remove the screw gently. Open the door. The door is holding the panel. So let's open the door. Be careful. See that the wire, none of the wires are damaged. So remove this connector, wire connector. Yes. Now there are 5 screws holding the PCB. We need to remove them. So that's on inside 1, beside the relay 1, 2, in the center 1, top. Okay. Now remove the knob on the rotary switch. Gently take out the PCB. As you can see, this is the rotary switch which is not working properly. There is a hot glue fixed around this switch. So remove the hot glue. As this is coming out easily, I am removing it from with hand. If in your case, if it is not coming so easily, then you can use a tool, a plastic tool. Try not to use a metal tool to avoid damage to the PCB. So gently remove the adhesive, the hot glue. As you can see, this is the rotary switch. It is shaking. It appears as if that the 3 terminals that need to be soldered to the PCB have come out. There is a dry joint or there is no joint at all. Actually all these days the hot glue was holding the rotary switch. Now we need to solder these terminals. So first of all we'll clean them with a blade. So clean them thoroughly. Remove the insulation coating or the hot glue. So just clean it and then solder it. See that you will heat the rotary switch terminal as well as the PCB together at the same time. If you have soldering paste, you can use soldering paste. If you do not have soldering paste, then see that you will use the soldering lead and apply it at the same time when you heat the terminals, as shown in this video. See that none of the joints are dry. Heat them properly to melt the lead sufficiently, as you can see in the video. Okay. Now the soldering is done properly. Now fix the PCB back. See that it's fixed in the properly in the grooves provided and the screw holes match. As you can see here, the screwdriver is not so much magnetized. So try to magnetize the screwdriver so that it will hold the screws firmly and you will save time this way. Okay. Fix all the 5 screws. Okay. Now take this connector which we had removed earlier, fix it. Place the locks in the groove provided on the bottom. Now take the screw which we had removed from the front panel, fix it, fasten it properly. Okay, now take the top cover. Now first we will fix the knob. Knob has a groove, so see that the groove on the shaft matches the groove inside the knob. Fix it properly, push it gently. Now take the top cover, place it as shown in the video and pull it towards front. Press both the sides. Now take the screws. All the 8 screws need to be fastened. I would like to thank client and my friend who helped me in making this video, who shot the whole video, whole process of reparation. Actually, I had been to visit his place and he asked me whether I can repair this microwave. And when I asked for tool, you can see the tools that are lying. Many tools. So he gave me all these tools and I used solder gun, screwdriver, soldering lead to repair this one. So I'm thankful to him for making this video, as it would be helpful to someone somewhere who wants to do the things on their own, who likes to do the things on their own. So thanks to my friend for shooting this video. Now fasten the 6 screws on the back side and 2 screws on the side. Okay. Last screw. As we can see, the rotary switch is working now. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.